Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is the Transit Custom Leader. It's the 280 short wheelbase in magnetic. Now, as this is the Leader, we do have the lower spec van. It still does exactly the same job, can perform exactly the same amount of load space work as the higher spec vans. This has also got the LED load space lights option fitted. The interior of the van, this screen here that supports DAB digital radio. It's also got Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, a very important feature in today's world. On the steering wheel, buttons there that can control picking up your phone, putting down your phone, as well as all the media are on there, and trip computer controls. Very nice seats, and under the passengers, two passenger seats that I'm currently sitting on, there's a load through hatch into the bulkhead, so you can lift them up and use the room under the seats for that extra bit of length should you need it. So this is the Transit Custom Leader 280S. It's the 130 PS version in the very popular magnetic grey colour. If you need any more information on the vehicle, you want to arrange some quotes or to book a test drive, give us a call here at Pye Motors on 01524 598 598.